Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John and we're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And today we've got this huge Ram truck and we're going to put some brand new floor mats from Lumway into this. We're really going to spice up the interior, upgrade our protection, and overall just make this thing look a whole lot better. So thank you Lumway for sponsoring this video. They've got some very high quality floor mats, getting some bad weather coming, so what better time to put these in than right now. Let's go. Alright, so we've got the molded floor mats for the 2019 and up Ram trucks with the new body style. Yes, there is a Ram Classic. This won't fit that, but it will fit the new body style Ram pickups. Now, what I recommend is going ahead, because these come folded up. Find you a nice sunny spot and fold these flat. Let the sun get them really flat for you. And I promise you, you'll be surprised just kind of how flat they get. And so we've got the back seat here, goes all the way across. These are good and thick material, but they are fairly flexible. It definitely helps in shipping. We've got our little threshold entry protectors here that go on the kind of the outside of your door. Love these. And then we've got our actual floor mats themselves, which these they look pretty good. They probably don't really need much sun, but we'll go ahead and put them out there anyway. Let them all get good and baked. Now, as far as how do you install this, well, honestly, you just put these down and they're ready to go. It does come with some installation instructions, but I don't think you'll need them. It does have these little locking levers, so you make sure that you actually get these in place because they just pop on. And we've got these, it looks like, just about everywhere. And so you can just pop these on in the seats once they're all up and flat, and you're basically finished. So let's go ahead and lay these in the sun. Alright, so this should give you a little better look of it out and what you're getting. Yes, they do come a little folded, but don't worry. I'll come out here in an hour or so. I better be careful in this Texas heater. It may turn them into liquid again. But it will definitely flatten these out and kind of restore them to that factory press shaped. So don't worry about that. If it's the colder weather, I have been successful in getting a heat gun or maybe even a blow dryer and just kind of heating these up in the creases. Alternatively, you can also just kind of bend it back the other way and hold it for like a minute and let it go, and it can also get these creases out. But I promise you, the Texas sunlight that I've got blaring on these things right now, it will flatten them out pretty quick. And I'll show you what they look like before we install them. Alright, so these have been sitting out here about an hour and they're looking good and flat. Sun did go out. I think we've got some storms coming in, but I think we are ready to get these in our vehicle. So let's not waste any more time. Okay, so we've got the old floor mats out. Just cleaned it up a little bit in here. And you can see we've got these two kind of latches here. We will just put our new floor mat in and just latch it right down into both of those. If you talk about easy installation, this is exactly what I mean. All right, so we've got our floor mat. This over here we want on the driver's side. So we're just going to, and maybe kind of hard to see from where you're at, I'm just going to slide it in there, and then we're just going to pop it into place. Boom, it's installed that quick, and it looks great. Let's go do the other side, and I'll show you a closer look in a minute. Okay, we're over here on the passenger side. We're just going to do the same. We're just going to stick these on up in there, kind of check where our little snaps are, and snap them into place. There we go, another install. Let's go to the back. Okay, so we've got the big one here. Gonna be pretty much the same. We're just going to get this slid in here. And I really love that Ram has the buttons, is what I'm going to call them, the little attach points everywhere, because it really helps to make sure that you've got it in the right spot. So that's that side. I'll come over to where you're at. And I'm just going to reach in and just snap it into place. And check this out, guys. It looks great. I mean, it looks like a different interior of the truck. We've got it snapped into place here. Got a good fit across here. The attention to detail, even the cutout where the seatbelt goes. We're not blocking the vents. It just looks good and sculpted and molded all the way across. And yes, you do still have access to this under-seat storage here. You can just pop this up, get whatever you need, and put it back down. You see there's a little kind of cutout for it up top too. And here we have this seat. You can see it perfectly matches the contours of the truck. Really gives it a rugged appearance as well. It really matches the frame of this monster that we have here. And over at the driver's side, guys, this just looks really great. Good fit, even all the way up there. Guys, you just really can't beat this, especially for the price. And we'll come over here just to show everything. Attention to detail under the vents. It really looks good with the way the sun is hitting it. Look at that, guys. Perfect fit. Wow. All right, let's not forget about these. They will just peel and stick. I kind of try to match it up with what's already there, but that's really up to you. There's a lip that will go around this edge, and it'll kind of help to protect what you've got going on here. So let's get that peeled and put on. We kind of just lightly pushed it on, and once you get it where you want, really give it a push. All right, now we've got it rugged inside and out. We're going to do that for the rest of them, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, you saw the results for yourself. These are some of the best bang for your buck floor mats that you can possibly get. Lumway has really fixed this truck up. Looks nice and rugged. Those floor mats are easy to clean, and they will last a long time. And so if you need some new floor mats, check out Lumway. They've probably got exactly what you need. And don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good trails, and God bless.